Were you ever afraid?
Nope. Not afraid, man. If I was, I wouldn't walk in the ring. I would stay in the locker room.
Which style of martial arts is the best?
There's only one way to find out. Let's get in the ring and duke it out. Take all the rules out. There's no weight division, there's no gloves, nothing. You think your boxing is better than jiu-jitsu? Hey, let's get in the ring.
Train hard, 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 train hard. Fight. That's why you gotta train. Every day you gotta train. That's why you gotta train. Every day you gotta